Well, I am Rajneesh Kumar. Today is my 51st lecture. I am giving this lecture as per the syllabus for the class 8, 9th and the 10th. Under the banner of the today reading and the writing, our topic is today is the story writing. Today on the story writing, we will know the what is the hidden art of writing a story or story writing. Because story writing is an important topic that comes well within the reading and the writing. This is the important for the class 8, 9th and the 10th. The important thing about story writing, you have to simply write the story as per the given inputs. Here, in a question, you will be given the inputs. And after giving the inputs, there will be a dot, 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 and you have to complete the story with some moral background and the logical noting. Here, in each and every examination of the class 8, 9th and the 10th, the inputs will be provided in your question. Here, the formula is the S3. In the step 1, you will have to go for a scan. You have to do only one thing. Whatever the inputs given to you during your subjective examination for the class 8, 9th and 10th, you have to go through it very smartly. Then after, whatever the data you will keep in your mind. In the second step, systemize. S for scan, S for systemize. Means you will keep all the data, whatever you earn from the scan, in a very logical, in orderly mode and systemize it. In the systemize, you have to do two things. One is you have to apply 5W1H, where the first W is the who, second is the what, third is the when, fourth is the why, and fifth is the where, and the 1H means the how. This is basically a question mark. And then after the heading, heading means you have to give the caption or a heading of your story. Suppose you wrote the story of the global warming. Here I have given the heading or a caption, and then after in the third step, when you earn the scan the data from the inputs, utilize your mind, systemize it, work on the 5W1H and the heading. Then after, you have to select with the moral draw. Moral draw means, suppose you are watching episode or a picture or a drama or a play, or you are watching on a silver screen, and anything you are watching, and after 30 minutes and the 1 hour, if you find nothing after watching, it means the director made you foolish. In the same manner, to avoid it, you have to give some learning and the moral so that your story will be very logical, reasonable, and it will give some impact to the readers. In this manner, you will have to also put up the one moral draw. Again, I am recapping. This is story writing is an important topic for the reading and the writing, important for the class 8, 9th and the 10th. You have to apply S3, where the first step is that is scan. First word of the scan is S1, S2 and the S3. Here, in the scan, you have to keep all the best of the information from the input which has been provided in a questions. Then after you have to systemize it, you will keep all the information. You have to apply two things here. 5W1H, who, what, why, when, where, work it on it, and 1H, how. And then after heading, select the heading, and then after put up the heading and just give all the information there. But your story must be in with the logical and in with the moral draw. Otherwise, that will be called the foolish. In this manner, I am closing this topic, the story writing. Here, I am the Rajneesh Kumar. It will be great for you you are listening my word, and this is a very golden opportunity that the nature has given to us. So please stay in the home, be safely. But this is the golden opportunity for the serious student. They can utilize their time towards their study. Be safe. Thank you.